doing this video last minute before I leave the property. I just wanna film this to explain to you, because I know I'm gonna speak to you about it and you didn't have a chance to see it, so I'm doing that little video to explain to you on the video. Alright, just hold on a second. This material, I have enough of it to fill up the whole base, okay? And I already started the frame. I have 2 links. I need to make one more link, so it will be 3 links on each wall. It will be 3 panels to remove it from here. I want to build it on the front, you can see because of the tree. At the workshop, I want to turn the workshop in the front there, front of the property. So what this gonna be, let me move a little bit backward so you can see the whole house. Tiny house, umbrella, tiny house. It's gonna be like for holiday. It's about 5 meters from end to end. It's gonna be a small kitchen, small TV area, and a burner, little fridge, and little bed, like a little house. The bed, you know, you can turn it into double bed in case if you want to bring your kid with you for a holiday. These houses, I'm thinking to build it nice and advertise it and put it on the net and see how it goes. This, and there's another different design, I will speak to you about it, like a dome and things like that.